Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Unity ads into game application. How you can make your game application more successful. So watch this video till the end. It will really help you improve your app's performance. I'm going to share with you a step by step. You just need your mobile phone and internet connection. You can see on my screen, I have got good results from Unity ads. You can also get this kind of results. As always, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. No guarantee on income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency, and traffic. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can open Chrome browser and you can search for Unity. You can click here to open this URL. Unity is best and most popular platform. You can use this platform to monetize your game application. You can display advertisement on your game application. You can simply click on this icon. Now you can click on go to dashboard button. It will then take you to this page. You can click on create account button. Now you can type here your email address. You can type your password. You can type your unique username. You can type here your full name and you will have to accept its terms of service. You can click here to verify this CAPTCHA. Now you can click on create Unity ID button. You can check your email address and then you can click on link to confirm email button. Now verify this CAPTCHA. Click on verify button. Now click on sign in button. You can type here your email address, you can type here your password and then you can click on sign in button. Now you will have to accept its terms of service. You can click on accept button, you can click on skip button, click on continue button. Now you can click on products button, you can scroll down. Here you can see monetization section. Here you can see Unity ads monetization. You can click here. Now you can type here your project name. You can type your app name and then you can click on create button. You can scroll down. Here you can see Unity ads monetization. You can click on launch button. You will then come to this page. You can click on enable ads button. Now you will have to provide some information. If you have company, then you can type here your company name. You can select here country. If you do not have company, then you can select this option. Now you can type here your first name. You can type your last name. You can select here your country and then you can click on submit button. You can select here mediation. You can select Unity level play. You can select Google AdMob. You can select any of this mediation. Or you can select this option. I will use Unity ads. Now you can click on next button. Now click on next button. Guys, my app is not live on App Store yet. I'm going to select this option. If your app is live on App Store or Google Play Store, then you can select this option. Now you can click on add project button. You can click on finish button. Here is showing project overview. You can click on add units button. Guys, here is showing Apple game ID and here is showing Android game ID. Here is showing add units, banner ads for iOS users, banner ads for Android users, rewarded ads for iOS users, rewarded ads for Android users, and interstitial ad. Now I'm going to show you how can you use this ad unit. You can go on App-Creator-24 platform. Guys, this is the best and trusted platform to make application. You can make video application, music application, radio, chat, forums, games, quizzes, and much more application. Here you can see some screenshots. You can make this kind of application. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can type your name. You can select your country. You can type your email address. You can type your password. And you will have to accept its terms of service. And then you can click on send button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on create app button. Now you can type your app name. You can go on this platform. Here is showing app name. You can copy this app name. Now you can type your app name. Now I'm going to select your app icon. Guys, you can make app icon using Canva platform. If you do not have app icon, then you can click on choose from gallery button. Here is showing some app icons. You can select any of this app icon. I'm going to select this app icon. Now you can select your language. You can type your app description. Now you can click on next button. You can click on create an empty app button. Now click on go to app manager button. Click on sections button. Now click on create section button. Here you can see there are a lot of sections. You can use web section, quiz, image, video, social videos. I'm going to select your game section. Now type your section title. You can click on select button. Guys, here is showing lots of games. You can select any of this game. I'm going to select this game. Click on select button. Now you can type your section title. You can select here no option. Now select here no option. Click on save button. Click on back button. Click on create section button. You can scroll down. Select game section. Click on select button. Now I'm going to select here another game. I'm going to select this game. Type your section title. Now select here no option. You can scroll down. Select here no option. Now click on save button. Similarly, I'm going to create here 10 sections. Okay, after creating sections, you can click on adds button. It will then take you to this page. Now I'm going to paste your Unity Ads game ID. You can go on Unity platform. Here is showing game ID for Android users. Here is showing game ID for Apple iOS users. You can click here to copy this game ID. You can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and you can paste your game ID. You can scroll down, paste your game ID. Scroll down, paste your Unity Ads game ID. You can scroll down, you can paste your game ID. Now I'm going to paste your banner ads unit ID. You can go on Unity platform. Here is showing banner ads for Android users. You can click here to copy banner ads unit ID. Now you can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and paste your unit ID. You can scroll down. Now I'm going to paste your interstitial ad unit ID. You can go on Unity platform. You can click on this icon. Now go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and paste your ad unit ID. You can scroll down. I'm going to paste your rewarded ad unit ID. Go on Unity platform. You can click on this icon. You can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and paste your placement ID. Guys, you can paste your placement ID of banner ads. Now you can scroll down. You can click on save button. Now I'm going to export this app in APK format. Click on download app button. You can click here to download this application, or you can scan this code to download this application. I'm going to run this application in my Android device. Guys, you can also make this kind of game application. You can run this application in your Android device. You can also publish your application on app stores like Amazon App Store, Vivo, Oppo App Store, Samsung Galaxy App Store, App2Ad, ITCH.io game website, GameJolt and many more. Unity platform will show advertisement on your application. For this advertisement, Unity platform will pay you money. You can get good results from Unity ads. Don't miss this opportunity. Try this method. If you want to learn about AdMob, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.